In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Wise. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, it's crucial to ensure that you're logged into your Wise account. This is your starting point, so take a moment to do that if you haven't already. Once you're comfortably logged in, direct your attention to the Send option on your dashboard. This is the gateway to initiating your transfer. Now, you'll see an option to select the currency you want to send. It's important to pick the correct currency to avoid any exchange surprises later on. Likewise, you'll need to select the recipient's currency, so take care to choose accurately here as well. With the currencies set, the next thing you need to do is type in the amount you wish to send. Be sure of this figure since it's integral to the entire transaction. Following that, you'll be presented with various ways to send your payment. This is an opportunity to choose the method that works best for you. If you're budget conscious, you might want to go with a bank transfer, as this option generally has the lowest fees. Also worth noting is that you can schedule your transfer and the associated fee will be prominently displayed for your review. Once you've decided on how you wish to send your funds, proceed by clicking on Add Recipient. This is where you specify who will be receiving the money. Wise offers a handy feature called Find on Wise, which lets you search for their Wise account. Alternatively, you can select to pay by bank details or use an email option. In this illustration, we're going to opt for bank details. Next up, you'll be prompted to click on Someone Else. This indicates that you are indeed sending funds to another person's account. At this juncture, carefully enter all their account details. This includes their bank account number and any other necessary information for the transfer. It's vital to get this part right, so recheck these details to ensure accuracy. After you've input all the required details, click Continue. This will take you to a summary page where you can review all the transaction information one last time. Pay attention to the listed details, making certain that everything appears correct. This includes the amount, currencies, and recipient's details. If everything checks out and you're sure the information aligns with what you intend, you're all set to proceed. The final step, click Pay. With that, you're done. Your money is now en route to its destination. Wise makes this process straightforward and efficient, but taking these steps with care ensures a smooth transaction every time. Thanks for joining us and confident money transferring.